this is Shelly with Pastry Shells, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable watermelon sugar cookies. First, to create the shape of the sugar cookie, I used a circle cutter, and then I cut the circle in half, and then I used a tiny circle cutter that has kind of a zigzag ruffle edge to take the little bite out of the cookie. I actually baked my cookies, and then as they were super hot right out of the oven, that's when I took the little bite out of the watermelon. For this cookie, we're going to be using all flood consistency frosting. You will need dark green, white, lime green, pink, and black. Using the dark green, you're going to create a border around the edge of the watermelon. Then, using a different piping bag, you will mix green and white together, but don't mix it fully. You can see it's not fully mixed. And then you're going to create a zigzag border over top that dark green while it's still wet. Then you're going to grab your lime green and create a border around that. Then finally, you're going to create a white. This will create kind of a gradual rind. Next, you're going to use the pink icing to fill in the cookie. While the pink icing is still wet, you will add black dots where you want the seeds and use your scribe tool to drag the black dot inward. And let your cookie dry, and then you are finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. Have a great day!